Well, one thing I find strange about this section here is usually on roads up north you have a thick section of woods on either side, and then after that it's all, you know, clear cut from the loggers. Here it's like they've done all their logging at the side of the road, and then the woods are behind it, so it's a little different. But this is kind of like Grey Bruce, no place to pull over. Although it's got a nice shoulder if I have to. Well, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put this rain suit on. I have a feeling I might run into more yet. So we'll just pull over here. Watch the sand on the road. There's always frickin' sand. Hopefully some moose doesn't come charging out of the woods at me and I'll be all set. It's the one that's hard to get everything out of course. Mosquitoes are coming out now. They've discovered me. Heat source. So it doesn't look real bad now, but I want to be ready for when I drive into it. Plus, when it's like this, it gets pretty nippy on the road. So now I should be toasty warm. And dry, at least from the waist up. I didn't put my pants on, I just put the coat on. Yeah, I know, that's the kind of shit that the viewers would like to see me do. Going off on logging roads like that. God knows what kind of trouble I'd get into going down there. And if I was a really good, experienced off-roader, it probably wouldn't be much of a problem, but I'm not ready for that shit yet. I'm gonna try and get it to wherever that outpost place is, and maybe do some droning there. Okay, now we've hit some older road. It's not a bad road, but this is kind of more what I was expecting coming down here. I thought it was going to be a bit of an older pavement, or even stone chip. I didn't think it was going to be that big paved highway like that. Somebody just flashed his lights at me coming the other way. I don't know why. My lights are on. They're not on bright. Unless he means there's some moose ahead or something like that, so I better keep an eye out. We're hitting some more rain. Yay for me. So I stopped and I took the glasses off and put the visor down. I usually don't go with visor down. I like the wind on my face, but you can't see as well when it's raining and you got sunglasses on and you got some water spraying in your face. So visor down, waxed visor. Yep, more rain through the Algoma wild country. There's a nice canyon to my left on the other side of these trees, but of course you can't see it. And it goes down and there's a big river going along there. Would have been nice if I could see it. And I sure as heck can't pop the drone up now. So we're just going to have to keep on riding. I was just listening to how smooth this engine is. I know everybody's got a different taste, you know, the Harley guys like the big roar and rumble and all that sort of thing, but this is why I chose a Honda, because it's just such a smooth running engine. And some people say, oh, it sounds like a sewing machine, but that's because of the engineering. It's just so smooth. Like, I don't even hear it now with the cruise just going like this. Here, just listen. Like all I can hear is wind noise. It's just whoosh. It's just so smooth and well tuned. The one thing they didn't do well on this bike is the thermostat gauge, because it always reads about 5 degrees higher than what it actually is. So it's saying 17 right now, so it's probably only about 12 degrees right now with all this rain cooling everything down. Okay, so I've stopped at the place I was planning to stop, which is pretty much the only thing you'll find on Google Maps when you're looking on this road going between Chapleau and Thessalon. And it's called the Aubrey Falls Trading Post. And there's always been question, and everybody always has questions online. Is this place open? Is that where I can get gas going up the line? Is that where I can stop and get supplies gas? Well, the answer has finally been revealed. There we go. And here it is, the Aubrey Falls Trading Post. Today is, what, June 15th or something? I don't know, I've lost track. Mid-June 2021. And as you can see, it is long since closed down. But hey, if you want to buy it, there's Michelle. You call Michelle if you want to buy it. But, yeah, she's locked up tighter and drum. There's nothing here. It's completely abandoned and closed, which is too bad. This was technically the only place that you could get fuel or stop for a break. So yeah, there's nothing, not even so much as a good pullover spot. I mean, it's private property. You can see the gas pumps were down there. I'm not going to walk all the way down there, but I am going to have a quick bite to eat. Maybe a quick pee in the bush. And then I guess I just have to head on. It's all we can do.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps.
Ooh, this is very dragon-taily. Come through here on a sport bike sometime. But with this rain and shit, it's hard to go fast. Oh, now we got road work. Lovely. And there's a guy with a stop sign. Ooh. Jeez, didn't have the camera on for that part. That little construction bit I just went through, I'm like, okay, no problem. Oh, we're down to just sand. They ripped up all the concrete, the asphalt, and it was like this 45-degree slope downhill on sand in the rain. I made it, but I'm like, holy shit, didn't expect that. Steep hills, falling rocks, tight curves. It's all still here, baby. So this is the part they're talking about. So I'm just 60 clicks away from Thessalon, north of Thessalon, on the 129. And yeah, this is definitely the most scenic half of this road. Anyway, from here to the Aubrey Falls place, super twisty, super windy, sometimes even a little precarious in spots, but super scenic and well worth the trip. So I'm just stopping here to take some pictures, and I will show you the view. There we go. Okay, so yeah, 60 clicks out of Thessalon. Not really any place to pull over as per se, but there's little enough traffic that you're pretty much okay on the side of the road, as long as you're on a straightaway. But yeah, nice river. Kind of reminds me of when I went out to Quebec. And then the road got smooth again. Still nice and curvy and scenic though.